In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix pictures not showing on Google Chrome. If images aren't displaying correctly in Google Chrome, it can be frustrating, and here's some methods to do it. First one is to check if the Show Images settings is enabled. Click the three dots at the top right corner of the Chrome browser and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, click on Privacy and Security. Then select Site Settings. Scroll down to the Content section and click on Images. Ensure that the Site Can Show Images option is selected. If not, the second method is to clear browser cache and data. Click the three dots icon at the top right corner again and hover over two more tools and then Clear Browsing Data. In the Clear Browsing Data window, check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and then click on Clear Data. It is recommended to restart your browser after clearing the cache and data to ensure the changes take effect. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.